it's moving?
Yeah.
It's because it's rotten already. I'm sure if I push it, I can break it. But I don't want to do that. These mushrooms, they are helping to eat dead wood, and they transform dead wood in fertilizer for the plants that live around here.
For example, like that one. For example, like that
Yes,
one.
it's dead. The
just like
coconut
that
is
one.
dead. Yeah,
Yeah, this one is an older
it was
version.
dead.
See?
This
So,
one is an older version.
and this one is, yeah, that's what's left. After the mushrooms and termites and other animals eat, that's what's left. And after that, mushroom eat it. So here I put Mr. Justin's bandage here, because when we dig inside, we can see it's like compost here. We have some roots. You see some plants are growing inside here. They're coming to get the food. And this is rotten coconut tree. It becomes like soil. And it smells really good. Smell it. Closer. Yeah, smell it. Smell it. That smells really good. It's the smell of mushroom inside.
No.
Yeah, it's very mushroomy.
I definitely.
Yeah.
Smells
So
bad.
that's very good. That's very good compost here that you have eaten by
Smells
termites and
Smells
mushroom.
healthy.
And it
Smells
smells
bad.
really
Wait,
healthy.
there's a plant
This is
here.
good. This is delicious. Yeah, there's a tiny plant. Yeah, that smells good. This is worm poo. No, it's not. No, it's a bit of coconut. It's a piece of coconut.